When you're playing League of Legends and you accidentally get a red border around your gameplay and you cannot really toggle out of it, there's a simple fix. Now what you want to do is you want to press F9 button on your keyboard, so just above the plus sign. When you press F9 on your keyboard, it will get rid of the red border and you can then play without the lock screen and it will be fixed. Now this is just an issue in League of Legends and it's usually used as a lock screen and recording button, so simply just press F9 and you will now be able to play. Now that's about it, guys. There's not really much more to it. It's really simple. If you cannot find the F9, you can go into the settings on your profile if the F9 doesn't work and check where the F9 is linked to. Then you can check and remove it and put it on some other button. But for default, it will be on the F9 key. So just press that one and it will be gone. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.